Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have 2024 Chrysler Pacifica, and I will show you which fuse to check in case your air conditioner AC is not working. So I will show you the AC clutch fuse location. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026, and also it should apply to Chrysler Voyager and Grand Caravan. Grand Caravan is Canadian version and Voyager is US version. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Before I show you the fuse, I will just mention, if that fuse proves to be good, next step is to, first you want to make sure that the AC refrigerant is full. You want to make sure there is no leaks coming from the AC lines and that the AC compressor is actually working and engaging. AC fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side, right here. To remove the cover, you have two black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. And on the back side, you will also have a small fuse diagram. The AC fuse will be this small 10 amp red fuse located right here in the bottom right corner. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.